Hey, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing my spring Walmart beauty box. Okay, so they're getting a little fancier with it. Maybe not fancy, maybe that's not the word, but we got a little bit of a bigger box this time. I have not looked at it. I mean, I peeked at it. I saw one thing in the box, but I just couldn't help myself. Like so. With a little booklet, and here is a sneak. I feel like we have a repeat in this one. So the theme is Beauty in Bloom for this season. We have 5 things. I'm just going to start off with what we have. It actually seems like there's less items. I don't know if it's just like this season, but I feel like there's more usually. Maybe not. Maybe it's just me. Anyway, to the point. The first item I have here is CoverGirl's Super Cloud Mascara. I feel like I'll try this out. I don't really have like a lot of commentary on mascara one. Sorry. Next we have the CeraVe Gentle Hydrating Shampoo. This actually will be perfect because I'm going to visit my friend and I don't think I'll need to wash my hair because I'm only staying like a night or so, but I can take this with me with my travel face washes that I got from them. Next is Sally Hansen's press-on nails. I'm probably not going to use these because I don't do my nails because I work in a kitchen. My sister did see them though. I don't know if she would wear green, but she was like overly excited for some reason that I got press-ons. I'm sure someone I know will wear them. You're seeing this and you want them, let me know. Hit me up, because I don't know who to ask. Moving on, we have NYX's The Face Glue Gripping Primer. It's like a little sample. I guess I could try this. I usually don't wear primer, to be honest. I probably should, but I don't. And then last in the box is, this is the one that's the repeat, I think. I think it's just like a different scent. This is Degrees Advanced Spray Deodorant. Gave my sister the last one. I'm probably going to give her this one too. This one is in Sexy Intrigue. So those are the 5 items that I got. And then I just want to go through the book really quick. There are 7 items. You get 5 items out of 7. Or you get a random one. So I got the first 3 here. I got the CoverGirl Mascara, the Press-On Nails, Hydrating Shampoo. It's saying Anti-Dandruff Hydrating Shampoo, but like I don't see that on here. Apparently there is hyaluronic acid in it though, and 3 essential ceramides. I'm not seeing the like dandruff part though. Then I didn't get, they had Nair Wax Ready strips. It's for like face and bikini and stuff. And then the other one I didn't get is the Makeup Revolution baking powder. That one kind of would have been cool to get, but I don't like bake, so it doesn't really matter to me. Then I did get the sample of NYX's Professional Face Glue Gripping Primer. And then apparently people like loved this deodorant spray. It says rated 4.6 out of 5 stars. You loved it, so we brought it back. So this might actually be the same one that we got before. I don't know. I don't go on. Are you supposed to rate them on these boxes? But yeah, like always, you can get a surprise one. I guess I didn't get... I don't think I ever got a surprise one now that I'm thinking about it. But those are the 5 that I got. A little bit of a short video. I just want to put it up so everyone can see it right away. That way, in case I think you still have time, if you want to order a box, you should be able to get one. Yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, it's like kind of 50-50. Like, I'll probably use like the shampoo... Maybe. I'm very weird about my shampoo and I only use like the same like family brand one. I think it's Renpure. I think that's the name. But I like using that. So if I don't use it, my sister will use it. Test out maybe the NYX one on a TikTok for the gripping primer. And then I will also test out the CoverGirl mascara because why? Actually, I lied. Let me give this to my mom. She needs a mascara, I think. We'll see. One of us will use it. I'll let you know what I think. And then, yeah, I'll probably give away the spray and the press-on nails. That's what's in my Walmart beauty box for spring 2025. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there's any other boxes you think that I should try out. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content from me. I do makeup videos, makeup-related videos. I play some games. And occasionally I will do like little shorts or TikToks of baking videos. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.